And you can also see that it should just be product, not with model or not blur, not incomplete, too small, and so on and so forth, right? So let's click on understood. Let's upload an image. People are no longer spending on big marketing or ad crews to create interactive ads. Today, with the help of AI, you can create UGC-style videos without expensive shoots or models. Welcome to day 160 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. We have seen tools that can create video ads with just a link, but those usually focus us on product images, text, and voiceovers. What if you want a video where a real person is holding your product and explaining about it, just like a real customer would? That's where Topview.ai comes in. It lets you create realistic UGC videos where AI models interact with your product with just one image. Let's dive in. Head over to Topview.ai, click on dashboard. It'll ask you to sign up. So continue with Google, select the account, click on continue, and we are in. So select all your use cases: social media content, product demos, sales outreach, personalized videos, and so on and so forth. So let's click a couple of them. Click on continue. What's your company size? Let's say 2 to 10 employees. Continue. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Click on continue and join. And thanks for your insights. Join our Discord channel to share more ideas anytime. Get started. Create marketing videos from links or materials, right? So you can either give links over here, or you can upload the file from here. Once you have registered, head over to topview.ai/gen/product avatar, and then choose one of the avatars. Okay, and you can see the product being shown in green here. Click on that and upload your image. Okay, now you can see image upload requirement: JPG, PNG, WebP formats. File size is less than 10 MB. And you can also see that it should just be product, not with model or not blur, not incomplete, too small, and so on and so forth, right? So let's click on understood. Let's upload an image. And I'm going to upload a hair oil bottle. What it does is it removes the background and it gets the image in the place of the previous product. Okay, you can see that the hair oil is available. Now you can increase the size such that it looks neat in her hand. Okay, you can even tilt it if you want, right? So increase it further. And once you feel that it is all good, click on confirm product position, right? It generates 3 images, okay, with that particular alignment that you have set. It takes some time, so you can see which one looks more natural. I would probably go with this one. Here it looks like this finger is not touching the bottle. This looks maybe natural. You have to choose one of it and then click on image to video avatar, right? Again, it takes about a minute or two to generate the animation.
I'm Topview Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use Topview Product Avatars to make your video.
Now, this is a sample video, right? We can add a script or generate one using AI. I'll click on use my script and we can add any script that we want for our product. So I'm adding the script over here, which is say goodbye to hair fall and dryness with natural, your go-to herbal hair oil made from pure ingredients and 0 chemicals. Just a few drops, a soothing massage, and let nature revive your roots. Stronger, shinier, healthier hair is just one bottle away. Choose natural because your hair deserves nature's best. Okay, Now you can also choose the voices or add your own voice. Okay, I'll go with the default one for now and click on generate. You can give a name to it. Sure. Oil. We can just generate 720p. For 1080p we need to have a paid plan. Likewise, top view watermark will be on by default. You cannot remove it until you go with the paid plan. I'll click on export. It takes about 2 minutes to generate it. Okay, so let's watch it.
Say goodbye to hair fall and dryness with Natural, your go-to herbal hair oil made from pure ingredients and zero chemicals. Just a few drops, a soothing massage, and let nature revive your roots. Stronger, shinier, healthier hair is just one bottle away. Choose Natural because your hair deserves nature's best.
Impressive. I was looking at the lip sync and it seems to be perfect, right? So we can download this and the video is available for us. And there you go. You didn't have to go through the entire process of hiring and shooting. In fact, you can be the model without having to do shooting for your own product. Tools like this can be very beneficial for businesses who have just started and do not have very expensive budget for shooting ads. So go ahead and give Topview.ai a try, and if you feel this is good, share it with a friend who has just started a business and looking for creating videos for their products. Thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.